I'm Anu. The meaning of my name is mercy to the God, and I belong to Hisar in Haryana, but currently I'm living in Chandigarh. I'm a working girl, and I want to become a cabin crew in my life, a successful cabin crew, and I'm on my preparation. So, first of all, I want to thank to ma'am that um, try to understand me that I'm able to be a part of this group discussion and I can communicate this team. So thank you, ma'am, for giving me this opportunity. So we have a very interesting topic today that is work from home. So in my opinion, I think no work is perfect. I think every work has their own benefits and own losses on positivity and negativity. So I would like to know firstly about your opinion about this remote work. So can start anybody. Online discussion. So sometimes network is not available so much very clearly. Like I have to
Yes.
switch my fan and I have to mute and like this. So situation can harm on a important meeting. So
I am from Manasa, Madhya Pradesh. I am a student of secondary class in Carmel Convent School, Manasa. I want to be a part of cabin crew in my future. For that, I have also started training myself for necessities of being a part of cabin crew. I am brushing up my English. As for my family, I can say that I live with my maternal grandparents and my father and mother work in their homes, and my father and mother work in their homes. My mother is a homemaker. As for my strength, I can say that I am adjustable girl with any kind of situation in every moment. And my weakness is sometimes I skip my lunch time to complete my work till late night. Thank you.
All, I'm Shivani. I'm very much similar to my name as I'm holy, kind-hearted and teen spirit girl. I belong to Haryana. It is also known as Greenland of India. Currently, I am a student, but I'm also preparing for banking examinations. As for my educational achievement, I have passed out senior secondary in 2016 from CBSE. After that, I went on completing my bachelor's in 2019 from Delhi University. Other than that, I have also did basic computer and accounting details. With this achievement, now I am completely prepared for my career. As for my family, I can say that I'm blessed with the lovely family of 6 members. As for my hobbies, I like to meet new extrovert personality, making new friends and meeting new extrovert culture. And as for my strength, I can say that I never give up. As for my weakness, I can't say no to anybody if somebody asks for my help. If I can describe my personality in one word, so I can say I'm determined. Thank you. Describe that how work from home has started. So from 2020, due to COVID-19 pandemic period, work from home has started. Company has given work to their employees so that they can do work in their homes with ease. And pros are that time will be saved from office to home, and rise in work from home is boon for the women because women are expected to take care of their family and home, so they can lose their jobs because of going to the office. So work from home is more beneficial for the women to do work from home. And can anybody tell the benefits of this work from home?
actually, I'm totally agree with you that women in this generation also women are expected to take responsibility of their home. But in other way, in my opinion, you are right. But in my opinion, I think work from home with the responsibilities of like women are expected to take responsibility. So if they are working at home, so it's a complicated situation should they handle their child or handle their work home domestic work, or should they do their office work? So it's very complicated. So I think this is a factor. This is
Yes,
a
you are.
job.
Yes, you are right. I'm agree with you. But going to office and doing household work is much difficult rather than doing work in home, because we can do work in our homes with at ease, and we can at any time, and we can manage uh, with other family members or children and take responsibility of that and conduct our work also side by side, because going to office are more hectic rather than work from home. So these are the
We are not
yes, yes,
like we are earning something to run up our
yes,
family. So yeah,
yes. Because you have also heard that something is better than nothing. So we are doing our work from home. So these are not hampers as much our livelihood, because we are doing our work because we have to do, and so we are conducting our work from home. So it is better to do nothing, to do some work at home.
yeah. Let's we all know our ma'am's opinion.
Yes, yes,
Children's at home. So all the situation, I think it's not very comfortable zone that we can work official work comfortably.
yes. I
Don't
am agree with you that people can cause anxiety because of it, because they cannot maintain work balance with their personal life. But this have also advantage, because they can spend their time with the family, because in during official work some people would not have much time to spend with their family, especially parents of young children, so they have to give their time to young children. So these are beneficial for in that way.
Yes, this is beneficial.
Yes,
Yeah. So I already said firstly that every work has their own benefits.
yes,
Every
yes,
no work is perfect in this world, right? So yeah, some people are happy with it. So some people are not happy with it. Some
yes,
some are happy to going to work and work like a professional worker. Some are happy at home and work like they are want to hold both the things, their domestic responsibility and their professional.
yes.
Sanjay, would you like to say something on this topic? Do you like work from home or do you like to go in office and work there?
Yeah, I like.
That you are saying like everybody is not that much active. They think that I have to finish this work in that much time. So I have firstly I have to do this work, then I will then they concern about the company work. So I think it effect on their thinking also, and they don't get environment at home like officially environment they don't get. Chanchal,
But
would you like to say anything about this?
yes, but at home we don't have any fixed time to do work. But in office we have to fixed time to do this work, and we have also fixed time to come to the office and go from the office.
Yeah, and people can leave their office tension at their office and can relaxly came home back. But at home, they have both the tension, home tension and their official tension. So both are they have carry within their mind.
Yes, and people can leave their office at the fixed time.
Yeah, that's very right.
Yes, this also cause anxiety. Yes, I'm also agree with this point that people would not balance their work and personal life, and people will not get established connection with their employees due to work from home. So these are the also disadvantage of that. And but benefit, what are the benefits for the company? That employees may not be able to take much leave, because employees are conducting their work from home, so employer can request to their senior that they want leave. So these are also beneficial for the
We have to sign. We have to save time from the office, and
Yes, yes.
at home we have a lot of work.
Yeah, you are right. But as Shivani says that it's a lot of time can save, but any time can work at home. Women can anytime work. Employees can anytime work at home. But there is no, power supply is not available at 24 hours. Who are not available, like who are not capable for the inverter system and all. So I think they miss the important calls and meetings. So this is also.
Yes, I know, but not all the time power supply are not available at that time. Sometimes power supply are available if it will about 2 or 3 days, but after 2 or 3 days we have to cope up with that. We have to remove this problem and find solution that how we can do work from home and compatible with our network, that if we are facing problem for 2 or 3 days, if networks are not available, so uh, we can accessible to Wi-Fi, etc., and we can manage some network fibers, etc., which are available to all. So these are not as much problem what I have seen.
Yeah,
But
sorry, but
but
I would.
sometimes we have a lot of works from home because company give a lot of work.
Yes,
I would like to say that our mind get the habitual of that thing, that and
yes,
mind can
yes,
pick up that thing after a couple of time, that you should work at home, you should accept these things, you should face these challenges and sort out
yes.
all these things. So I think that is very easy after a couple of time, that gets easy.
Yes, yes, that is very easy for that because they have to do that work.
Yeah.
And after some time, office will get opened, so they can join office again and do their work as they are doing before.
Yeah, but at
Because not always work from home, not always. It will end someday. So it will not. So people or employee can join their office. So it will not continue up to several years because they have some limit, some end of this pandemic or this situation. So we can get their work because we have to do our work for our country, for our economy, because economy also get hampered with this. If we are not doing our work, so we are so our economic or GDP are declining. So we have to do our work for our livelihood or for our country also.
Yeah, that's very right. But at the pandemic time, it's beneficial to stay at home and work from
Yes.
home. Yeah, it's
Yeah, it's
very.
beneficial to do not. It's beneficial to do some rather than don't do anything
Yeah, and
because
people are of this thing, and some people are happy to think that.
disturb you. Anu, this is for some time, not for all the time. Not all the time our fan is making noise. If our fan is making noise today, so we can cope up with tomorrow, and we'll not make that mistake on another day, and we'll get comfortable with our work doing conducting from our homes.
Yeah, that's right. But like today, I have a lot of work, and today is no electricity, no network connection. So the next day, no same as the next day, no electricity, no network. So the very next day, I have to do a lot of work. So it's a pressure type situation, it's a burden type situation. Should I handle my this domestic work at the time? Should I fulfill my responsibility at my home to the members that I love ones, or should I complete my office work? So that is the problem, I think.
is electricity uh, is electricity needed for the smartphones, because smartphone is conducting meeting without any electricity. We can charge our smartphone or before the meetings, and there will not any difficulty for that our
But
respective meetings.
home, we have many distraction between our home.
Yes, yes,
Sorry,
Chandu.
Chancel, I couldn't understand. What are you saying?
I am saying that, but at home we have a many distraction between the people of our home.
Yes, so we have to maintain
Don't you think that
office.
is doing our personal life, affecting on our personal life, and it's a messy type, it's a messy kind of situation. Like if we are going to office, then we can put our personal life separately another way, and if
Yes.
our home, if our work.
We can't travel and we can't travel anywhere. We can sit our home and do our work.
So, and also one benefit more in this, that location will not be a barrier, because employee can get a job if office
But
is located in another city. So this will also beneficial for the employees.
but sometimes
And yes,
sometimes company give a lot of work, so it is effect on our eyes also.
Yeah, that's the point. Like we are staring at the screen, laptop screen, and we are doing the work. We can't work. We can't sit on the laptop screen to nine in the morning, and we can't leave it like 5 in the morning. Yeah, that is also pointed. But I think every work has their own its own way.
but if you know, we have to sit in our laptops or computer in the office also, not in our homes. We are also we have to also generate our work from computer and laptops in official environment also, not in home. So this is
Yes,
not
yes.
any
I'm
kind of disadvantages. Yes,
Yeah, I'm also saying the same. Whenever some employee is working at home, if they are going to vacation, they can open their laptop any location and can work start and can complete their work. But if a company give a task to complete, so don't you think that it's very tough thing to complete a task at stay
yes.
at home and work on it?
It is a yes. It is a tough thing, but not impossible thing. Because if employee have ability to do that work, so they can do and in any situation. So this is not a big task, because task has also given in offline environment. So if that it's also given online environment, so it's opportunity to increase their salaries and learn new skills from their companies.
Yeah, I'm
So
totally
this
agree.
has also, yes, this has also opportunity for them.
Yeah, that's right. So I'm agree with you. But don't you think that some advantages are there and some disadvantages are there? Both are
Yes,
there. The
yes,
comparison.
both are present there. Advantages also and disadvantages also. And advantages for company is that they have not much pay for the office maintenance, because people are conducting their work from home. So company have not spent.
For both company and an employee, because employee had their own life, own personal life, and why they are working for their family and for their happiness. So I think it should be beneficial for both. And yeah, that conclusion is that uh, it on us. It's up to the employee. How can they concern about their work? They enjoy their work from home life and how they take their official life. So it's totally upon the employee.
Yes,
What
it
do you
totally
think?
hampers their life, but we have to also learn to manage their personal and work life.
Yeah,
So it
personal and professional both are
yes,
well
yes,
managed. That nothing to take to worry. Everything will be
yes,
fine.
yes, yes,
Everything will be all right.
yes. It is difficult for 2 or 3 days, but after that we can cope up with that easily. That 2 or 3 days, 4 days, about or for one week, it can continue, but not for the uh, whole month or whole year. So people can get comfortable with work from home because he or she know that they have to save their job if they can do their work from home or come to the office because they want their earnings, so they have to do that work by hook or by crook.
Yeah, it should be well balanced. It's 100% depends on that how we take our work, right? But at staying at home and working the remote work, some people are not some. Mostly people are getting casual look on their body, like their official personality. They totally forget about this. And if sometimes they can also visit to office like in a week, in a month, that can be
Yes,
helpful.
yes,
Yeah, so
yes.
they cannot forget the personality of both. They are casual and professional. So I think that is the conclusion, I think, in this discussion. We should take concern both of the things about our home and about our professional life. Both are very important. Personal
Yes.
life is very important at that place, and professional life is very, very important, I think.
But with time, employee get comfortable with that because they have to save their job and they have to do that job because their livelihood. So uh, they can't left their job because of some of this minor issues. They have to face that issue, so they have to do that work even in their home also. Firstly, they face difficulty in first of the weeks or days, but then
That's right. That's right. Yeah. And one thing I would like to point out that I'm working out of India and I'm staying away with my family. I'm not able to go there, and I'm not able to spend time with them. I'm
yes,
working out of country. So this is a thing that we should notice, that if I'm working out of country because of pandemic, I go to my home back, and work from home starts, and I can work on laptop. I can do remote work, and I can complete the work if I am in the any corner of the world. So that is also very beneficial thing,
yes.
I think.
Yes, it's that we can come closer to our families and friends. These are the benefits for the work from home. That because of work we can't spend much time with the family. So because with work from home we can spend our much time with the family also.
But don't you think, Shivani, it affect on people's health? Like we get lazy about the work and all the things. If we are working officially, so we get up early in the morning to exercise some and get ready for
Yes,
the
yes,
work
yes.
or home
Yes,
and
I know that there is not any physical work. We have to sit at one place and doing that 5 hours or what working hours of that work. So I know that there is so much laziness, but if we know that we have to do this work, so we have to make attention, proper attention to that work, because we have to sit on the laptop for whole day or for the whatever the working hours. So we have to uh, make proper attention to that. So
And
That you're totally
yes.
right, but my opinion is that it's my personal experience. I saw many people who don't even take bath for 4 or 5 days because they don't have concern. They have to going to work, and they said when I said, "Did you took a bath? You are like very unhygiene." So then their answer would like to take like I'm not going to office. I have to work from home, and I have to just uh, temporary makeup on face, and I have to put my screen on in front of me and have to work. Like this, they manipulate everything. So I think it's a effect on health also. People becoming lazy, very much lazy. I can see. It's my personal experience. Like I'm staying at home, and I don't take even bath. Sorry for this, but it's make a lot of it's save a lot of time of us. In that time, I can enjoy many things. I can see YouTube. I can see many things. That is also very right.
But
but
what company wants? Company wants their work, and they are getting their work. So this is not not a disadvantage for the company, because company would get their work at time.